In today's video, I'll show you how to create a folder in Notion. Notion is a powerful and flexible tool that helps you organize both work and personal tasks. One simple but very useful trick is creating a folder-style layout to keep your pages neat and easy to manage. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.notion.so. Log into your Notion account. If you're new to Notion, you'll need to sign up first. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main workspace where all your pages and tools are located. Now, look at the left sidebar. This is where all your pages appear. To create a folder, start by creating a new page. Click on Add a new page and give it a name. For this example, we'll simply name it Folder. This page will act as the container for other pages. Next, hover over the page title and click on Add Icon. Choose an icon that represents a folder. Using an icon makes it easier to recognize the page, especially if you have many pages in your workspace. You can search for folder and pick the icon you like best. Make sure to leave this page empty. Don't add any content inside it. This page will work as a folder, not a regular document. Now, go back to the left sidebar and find the pages you want to organize. Simply drag and drop those pages into the folder page you just created. Once the pages are inside, you'll notice that the folder becomes collapsible. You can click the small arrow next to it to expand or collapse the pages inside. This helps reduce clutter and keeps your workspace clean and organized. And that's it. You've successfully created a folder in Notion. With this setup, your workspace will look cleaner and be much easier to navigate. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you organize your Notion workspace more effectively. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe